Hello, my name is Fiona Stanton from Feast Papercraft. And today I want to show you a video on making a cute little bag for teacher thank yous. Well, for thank you for anybody. I mean, this one I used in my class. We had a class this month and this is one of the samples we made. And I've put you're one of the kind. I'm going to change the sentiment and use the love what you do set and put a thank you on there, so that my daughter's teacher can have a thank you gift. I have to put something in it, mind you, but that's a different story. First of all, we're going to cut this paper down. So the original bag was using papers from the Sea of Textures set. This is from the Rooted in or Nature's Poem designer series paper. So we're going to do a square 8 inches by 8 inches. And this will be in my blog tomorrow, so you'll have all the dimensions there. And then we are going to use the scoreboard. I prefer using the scoreboard for this rather than the trimmer. So on one side, make sure that's flat. Now I've got to remember this. We're going to score at 3 inches. So 3 3/4 inches. 6 3/4 inches, and then 7 1/2. Then we're going to turn it around and we're going to score at 1/2 inch, or what you could do score at 7 1/2 inches, and then we can score 1 1/2 inches there. Okay. So that's the bag, that's all the score lines down. Put that to one side. And like I said, in my blog we'll have all the score lines and the dimensions done. So we're just going to just fold and burnish all the score lines. Like that. And this bag, the original design I think came from Pootles. Sam Hammond, a demonstrator in England, or in the UK I should say. So I've just changed the papers and I didn't really take note of what sizes she did, so I made this to suit the size that I wanted. Right, we're going to get some scissors and I'm going to do some snipping. So we're going to snip this bit here and across like that to make a tab. I think, leave that bit, and then we snip up the edges here to the first score line. Like that. Oh, where's that one? Okay, so now you decide what paper you want to be the majority. You can have it like this and it'll fold round like that, or I could have it like that and fold like that. I think, I can't decide. I think I'm going to have it the leaves. So just fold those again. Like that. Right, so now I'm going to put some tape down. I'm going to put some tape down on this top lip to hold it down. You want to kind of leave the side bits, so because you want to leave about 1/2 inch on each side. Okay, and while I'm here, I'm just going to put some tape down at the bottom. You actually just need 1/2 a width of tape for this. So you need to cut your tape in half. That will do. Put that there. Oh, I'm sticky. Sticky, sticky, sticky. There we go, that will do. Right. So, oh, I need to put some tape on my tab, don't I? And again, we're only going to go up there. We're not going to do it before you get to the crease line. So take those bits off, fold that down, and then fold this around, take that bit out. And what we're going to do, what will happen is that bit will slide up like that. So you can see you slide that bit up like that and get your corners, your lines lined up. Just missed that a little bit. And that's the shape of your bag. And put those bits in. Take the tape off, it's a bit fiddly. Cut my nails so I haven't got any nails to do anything with. It's always away. And what I'll do, what I need is a stamp block. Where are my stamp blocks? I don't need to do some stamping. What I need is something to go down there. Let me just use my scissors for the time being. I'll find a stamp block. Okay, so that is the basic bag. And I've done it again. I knew I'd forget this. What you need to do is punch this first. And it's not going to fit in there now. Let me just see. Have I got time before the tape really sets to do this? I knew I'd forget this bit. You can always put it back together again. She says hopefully. Right, you need to punch your holes to thread your cord through. This is the triple detailed punch, or the detailed trio punch, and it's got that. Right, take that bit off. Right, I'm going to start again. That bit didn't happen, okay? We all agree that did not happen. Good, I'm glad we're all in agreement there. I did that in class as well. Completely forgot to tell everybody why I put a punch out. Because you needed to punch your... Right, let's put the scissors back down. Okay. Alright, I've not quite got the holes lined up. What you would obviously... What's happened there? My corner's got... There we go. Pull that down. There we go, that's better. Right, just a second. Nice big heavy block. Just to thump down that bit. Now what you would do, and what I did before, is that you would actually measure halfway to get that, but we'll ignore that. So that's the basis of your bag. We're just going to quickly decorate it. It's going to wrap. There's this bit first. So this is detail from the a die from the Sea of Textures, Tranquil Textures stamp set and die set. So this one's dies from that have come down. So I'll just put that on there. And I'm just putting sticky tape there. It is sticky obviously, but I'm going to wrap a ribbon around it. And I'm going to put a punch on top. So just to quickly finish this bag off. So just put again some tape at the front there. I'm not great on bows, that's why I like to wrap ribbon around and then just attach something on top of it. And what you can do is put that block down there, and that might make it a bit easier to decorate things. And obviously you could be sensible and do it beforehand, couldn't you? But hey, I've not been sensible yet. So what I've got, I've already punched this once. This is with the Everyday Label punch. So then I'm just going to stamp my greeting on tranquil tide or soft suede. It's probably a great combination. I probably thought about that a bit better, but hey ho. Thank you. That goes there. Punch that out. So let's see if this will work, because what I was going to do, so that we can see both the petal pink and the soft suede, is I'm just going to trim down like that. I prefer using my trimmer. You could use your scissors just to line it up. Just trim it down a little bit. So that fits like that. That gets, let's take that off for a minute. That gets stuck on that. So you get that kind of layered effect. It's sometimes difficult to get layered effect with punches when because you can get obviously layering circle punches and things like that, but a lot of the punches are just one size, so it's nice to be able to get some layering in with your punches like that by just trimming bits off. So there we go. So we'll just hold that down like that. We'll cut some ribbon. And the reason I used these colours is because they came in the corresponding Nature's Poem cardstock pack. So if you are ever worried about what cardstock will match what DSP, there will normally be a coordinating cardstock pack which will help you decide what colours to use. And therefore it helps you with your ink colours and your embellishment colours and things like that. Oh, all fingers and thumbs. Right, there we go. And this Nature's Twine Bundles is very good value. I do like it. Right, so that was the original. That's the new one. I just need to leave that to dry. I'll put that back in there in a minute. So those are two little cute bags, originally from Pootles, Sam Hammond design, but using the Sea of Textures DSP with that one and the Rooted in Nature DSP with that one. Thank you very much. You've been watching Fiona Stanton from Fee's Papercraft.